Equals if your Dyson HD01 makes a weird noise, you're not alone. We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. This noise could be caused by a blockage or a worn-out component. Simply replacing the necessary parts and giving your Dyson a good cleaning usually solves the issue. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.